Hello students, today let us learn how to factorize trinomials of the form x square plus bx plus c by splitting middle term. Let us see some examples related to this. First example, let us take x square plus 6x plus 8. This is an example of x square plus bx plus c shape. And let us try to factorize this by using splitting middle term process. So here last term, take the last term 8 and this is plus 8 actually with the sign. So take factors of plus 8 and check whether the two factors multiply, you should get 8, and you should add, you should get plus 6 middle term. So if you multiply, you should get 8, if you add, you should get 6. So let us check some of the factors of 8 like this. 1 8s are, both are positive or both are negative, and 2 4s are, and even 4 2s are also. 2 4s are and 4 2s are makes no difference. So no need to take 4 2s are. So just see this, plus 1 into plus 8 or minus 1 into minus 8. Plus or minus. Even plus 2 into plus 4 or minus 2 into minus 4, but you want the middle term as plus 6. You want the middle term as plus 6. So you want to take both positive. Plus 2 into plus 4 let us take. So let us take the suitable factors are plus 2 and plus 4. So what factors you have chosen, that factors you take with the variable x to that side. 2x plus 4x. If you add these two, you should get 6x plus 8. So plus 2x and plus 4x, if you add, you are getting plus 6x. This is the way of splitting the middle term. We have splitted the middle term in such a way that if you add those two, you should get 6x. If you multiply, you have to get last term 8. So like that. So now coming to first two terms you make as one group, last two terms you take as one group. So in the first two terms you take common thing. X is common in both. X into x plus 2. And in the last two terms take 4 as common, 4 table. 4 into x plus 4 into 2. Next, if you observe, this is full one term and this is full one term. In these two terms also, if you observe, x plus 2 is common. So let us take now in the next step x plus 2 as common. If you take x plus 2 as out, you are left with x here. Write that x. And if you take x plus 2 come outside here, 4 is left. So write plus 4. So your answer is x plus 2 into x plus 4. So what factors you have chosen, plus 2 and plus 4, that answer only you will get after x here. So x plus 2 into x plus 4. So this is the way how to do the factorization by splitting the middle term. Let us take one more example. P square plus 6p minus 16. This is one example. So here if you observe, minus 16, last term is minus 16. Now you are going to find factors of minus 16. Factors of minus 16. So write minus 16 here and find factors of these two in such a way that if you add those two, you should get plus 6. The two factors what you have chosen, you have to add, you should get plus 6. If you multiply, you should get minus 16, and if you add, you should get plus 6. Let us choose some of the factors of minus 16. So because this is minus 16, one of the factors should be positive, one of the factors should be negative. Out of the two factors you are taking, one should be positive and one should be negative because you have to get minus 16. So let me take here 1 and 16. Here which one should be negative and which one should be positive is one more thing to remember. You see here middle term is positive, plus 6. So if you add these two, you will put the sign of the bigger number to the answer. So bigger number should be positive because as the middle term is positive, your bigger term should be positive and smaller one should be negative. So let us put minus 1 into plus 16 gives you minus 16. Okay. And next minus 2 into plus 8. Here I am taking bigger term as positive. So 8 minus 2 into plus 8 is minus 16, and minus 2 plus 8 if you add, you will get plus 6. So these are the right factors for us. You are getting right factors. If you add these two, you are getting plus 6. If you are multiplying, you are getting minus 16. So let us choose these two factors here and start writing. P square plus 6p we are dividing into, we are splitting into what factors you have chosen. So minus 2p along with the sign plus 8p minus 16. Minus 16 as it is. If you add these two, minus 2p and plus 8p, you are getting plus 6p. So now these first two terms as one group, last two terms as one group. So take common p from this first two terms and write here p into p gives you p square, and p into minus 2 gives you minus 2p, plus here 8p minus 16. Here you can take 8 table as common. 8 into p gives you 8p minus plus into minus 2. So the answer is, here if you observe p minus 2 is common in both. So let us take p minus 2 as common. And if you take p minus 2 as common, p is left here in the first term, and in the second you will get 8. So the answer is p minus 2 into p plus 8. So what factors you have chosen? Minus 2 and plus 8. You are also getting an answer here, minus 2 plus 8. After p variable, you are getting the same factors what you have taken. So your answer is p minus 2 into p plus 8. Let us go to the one more example of this model. Next, example 3. Here let us take q square minus 10q plus 21. If you observe here, we are going to take factors of plus 21. So take factors of plus 21 such a way that if you add those two, you should get minus 10. So let us try the factors of 21 now. Plus 1 into plus 21, or it may be minus 1 into minus 21 also. Otherwise, if you add, you are not getting minus 10. So let us take one more type of factors for this. Minus 2 table, plus 2, for example, plus 2 into plus 8. Sorry, 2 table will not come in this. Let us take plus 3 table into plus 7 gives you 21. Plus 3 into plus 7 or minus 3 into minus 1 also gives you plus 21. So we want minus 10. So we want minus 10 means we need negative sign integers. So our answer should be minus 3 and plus 3 and minus 7. Why I am taking negative number? Plus 3 into plus 7 or minus 3 into minus 7. So because our middle term is minus 10, let us take minus 3 and minus 7. If you multiply minus 3 into minus 7, you will get plus 21. And if you add these two, minus 3 and minus 7, you will get minus 10. So these are the suitable factors for us. So let us write q square minus 3q minus 7q. We are splitting this minus 10q as minus 3q and minus 7q plus 21. Now take common factors from these two. First two group as one group, the last two terms as one group. In the first two, take q as common. Q minus 3 you will get here, and here minus 7 you take common. Here also q minus plus into minus is plus. So q minus 3, and write q minus 3 as one of the common factor in both, and into q minus 7. So these are the two factors of this expression. So what factors you have chosen? Minus 3 and minus 7. So you will also get minus 3 and minus 7 only in the final answer. Q minus 3 into q minus 7. So this way you have to do the sum. Now continue one more example. Let us see one more example. Example number 4. Now let us take for example a square minus 5a minus 36. Okay, minus 36 we will take for factors. For minus 36, what are the factors? Let us see. Here actually the number is negative, so we need one positive factor and one negative factor. If you multiply one positive number and one negative number only, you get minus sign. So what are the factors? Let us see now. 1 and 36. Out of these 1 and 36, which should be positive and which should be negative is our question. For that you have to observe in the middle term it is negative, minus 5. If you add these two, you have to get negative answer. If you add these two, you should get negative answer. Means after adding, you will put the sign of the bigger number. So all of you keep in your mind, you have to take bigger number sign to the answer. So whatever sign is there for the middle term, that sign you should keep for the bigger factor. So, and this one is negative, obviously this one will be positive. So plus 1 into minus 36 gives you minus 36. But if you add these two, you are not getting minus 5. So these are not right factors for us. Let's continue. 2 into minus 18 plus 2 into minus 18. Yes, if you multiply these two, you will get minus 36. Are you getting, if you add these two, minus 5? No. So let us leave this also. Let's continue. In 3 table, you will get 3 into minus 12 as minus 36. But if you add these two also, you are not getting minus 5. So leave this also. Try for one more. 4 table, 4 9s are. 4 into minus 9 gives you minus 36. And if you add these two, plus 4 and minus 9, yes, you are getting minus 5. If you add these two, you are getting minus 5. So these are our suitable factors, required suitable factors. So a square. Now this minus 5a we are splitting into two factors, which is plus 4a and minus 9a. So I'll write plus 4a and minus 9a, minus 36 as it is. Now take first two terms as one group, last two terms as one group. Let us take a as common, a plus 4, and here you take minus 9 as common. You will get here also a plus 4. And here now a plus 4 is common in both terms. So let us take a plus 4 as common. And what are left over? A minus 9. Here a is left, here minus 9 is left. A minus 9. So our answer is a plus 4 into a minus 9.